Tony from Full Circle and Dolan here, and with spring right around the corner, I want to take some time to talk about fertilizer additives. Today we're going to talk about two different kinds of zinc and how you can have mixing problems in your starter fertilizer. So the first one we're going to use is 9% zinc, which is EDTA, chelated zinc. So there really shouldn't be any mixing problems with that. I've got my PPE on because we're working with chemicals here. So what I've got here is just some water, and nowadays a lot of starter fertilizers are water-based, so it's important to pick the right zinc so that you don't have mixing problems and plugging issues or anything like that. All right, the next one we're going to look at is an older zinc formulation. It's ammoniated zinc. We don't use it much anymore. It had a little higher zinc concentration, which was the draw to it in the past. So, as you can see, the older ammoniated zinc kind of turns to white gunk almost instantly, where the EDTA 9% zinc, no issues. Take the time to talk to your Full Circle Ag agronomist about what type of zinc you should be using with your starter fertilizer.